Hello everyone and welcome again to your channel Simple and Easy English. In this video you are going to learn the adjectives. We use adjectives to describe nouns or things. So we use adjectives to describe nouns and things in terms of size, color, shape, or anything like that. Let's have a look at some examples. So in this picture we have a marker. So we say it's a marker, but we need an adjective in order to describe the color of the marker. As you can see, the color is black, so it's a black marker. It's a black marker. As you can see, the adjective black used to describe the marker is placed before the noun. So the adjective is placed before the noun. In the next example, we have a bird. So it's a bird, but we can use other adjectives to describe this bird. For example, the color of the bird or the size of the bird. So let's describe the color of the bird. The bird, of course, is blue, so it's a blue bird. As you can see, the adjective blue is placed after the article a and before the noun bird. What about the size? Of course, as you can see, the bird is small. It's a small bird. It's a small bird. Apples. They are apples. So what do you think we can describe, or how we can describe the apples? So we can describe the color of the apples. So which color we have? The color is red. So they are red apples. They are red apples. Again, the adjective is placed before the noun. Let's do now more practice with more examples to understand the adjectives. In the picture we have a man. So is he a small man? No, he is a big man. So we use two adjectives, small and a big. They are used before the noun man. We have a table. So is it a round table? The answer is yes, it is. Yes, it is.